And ladies and gentlemen, one of the highlights of the show, and probably one of the highlights of the year as far as collector car sales go, is the next lot, which consists of three very, very special cars. It's lot number 60, .1, .2, and .3. I'm sure you're well aware of this collection. It's been advertised in numerous publications. It's proudly featured in the catalog. We're going to bring all three up here at the same time. This is the 67 Continental convertible. Of course, these are made of stainless steel.
Good.
Next is probably the Thunderbird.
Phenomenal,
Nope.
phenomenal. The only known collection available in the entire world of all three. This is serious, serious iron here to be sold. An incredible Americana.
What I find incredibly interesting is the factory, Ludlum, has maintained ownership of these cars for decades.
For decades, correct. So without a doubt, the best known history, one of the finest, and certainly the only example available as a trio, the only one in the world available today. Here to be sold, ladies and gentlemen, to give $2 million. At $2 million, give $2 million. At $2 million, ladies and gentlemen, on the stainless steel trio, give $1 million. At $1 million, ladies and gentlemen, it will be sold here tonight to the highest bidder at $1 million. At $1 million, ladies and gentlemen, $1 million. At $1 million, you give $500,000. $500,000 on all three cars at $500,000. Going to be sold to the high bidder tonight at $500,000. At 3 on bid, now 4. 5 on bid, $750,000. $500,000. $600,000. $600,000. $600,000. $700,000. $700,000. $700,000. $700,000. Everybody can bid at $700,000. $700,000. $800,000. $800,000. $800,000. At $700,000 I am bid. $800,000 on the trio. At 7 I am bid. At $800,000 now, $800,000 now, 7 I bid. $800,000. $700 I am bid. 8 I am bid. $900,000. $800,000 I am bid. $900,000. At $900,000. At $900,000. At $800 I am bid. $900,000. $900,000. Once in a lifetime opportunity. And Charlie's just told me he's talked to the director of Amelia Island Concours. You have a standing invitation to show these show them.
They really want these cars at the next show in March.
$850 I'm bid. $900,000. $900,000. Selling tonight to the high bidder, folks. At $900 I'm bid. $950. $950,000. $950,000. $950,000. At $900 I'm bid. $950,000. $950,000. $950,000. You can all bid. At $900,000 I am bid. $950,000. At $950,000 I sell the stainless steel trifecta tonight. Are you all done? A once in a lifetime history-making opportunity right here, right now. At 9 I bid. $950 for the first time. At $900,000. $950,000 for the second time. At $900, I'll take $925 for all you guys on the fence waiting for the best opportunity. $925,000. Otherwise, I sell the cars tonight at $900,000. At $925,000. Does anyone else want to bid? At $925. I sell the cars tonight for the first time. $925 on bid. $950. $950,000. $950,000. $975,000. $975,000. At $950,000 on the trio, $975,000. I sip, you bid. $950, $975. We sell them all then at $975,000 for the first time. Not yet, Stuart. $950,000. $975 for the second time. Third, make no mistake, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity at $975,000. All done. Fair warning, I have sold $950,000. Sold the trio $950,000. Bidder number 741. Thank you, guys. 741. Sold $950,000.
That was very exciting